I welcome back to our channel where we delve into the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on the latest AI news and analysis. Today's episode uncovers a unique scenario where OpenAI, the organization behind the AI-powered chatbot, ChatGPT, is being sued for alleged defamation. Yes, you heard that right. The first potential defamation lawsuit involving an AI. In a fascinating twist, Georgia resident Mark Walters has filed a claim against OpenAI, alleging that the AI chatbot falsely claimed he'd been accused of embezzling money from a gun rights group. According to Walters' lawyer John Monroe, this case is an example of the perils of recklessly deploying AI systems known to hallucinate, or in other words, fabricate information about people. The origin of this dispute is equally intriguing. A journalist, Fred Ryle, seeking a summary of accusations in a court case, handed over the URL of the real complaint to ChatGPT. Ryle was reporting on a lawsuit filed by gun rights groups against Washington's Attorney General's office. However, according to the claim, ChatGPT instead linked Walters' name to a criminal complaint, falsely accusing him of financial impropriety with the Second Amendment Foundation. This incident raises critical questions about the reliability of AI systems in serious use cases, such as legal research or journalism. AI's potential for hallucination or generating false information is not unknown. ChatGPT has already been in hot water for writing obituaries for people still alive and fabricating legal citations. So, should AI systems that are known to produce errors still be used for such sensitive tasks? The issue also calls attention to the accountability and potential liability of AI makers. OpenAI, which is backed by Microsoft, does clarify on its landing page that its platform is a free research preview, not meant for giving out advice. But is that enough to absolve it of responsibility? When their creations generate damaging or false statements, to what extent should the creators be held accountable? This lawsuit, potentially the first of its kind, is set to address these fundamental questions. Now let's examine the legal perspective. According to the Berkman Center for Internet and Society, a private figure plaintiff bringing a defamation lawsuit in Georgia needs to prove that the defendant was at least negligent concerning the truth or falsity of the allegedly defamatory statements. Given that the defendant here is an AI, this will be a complex argument to make. Moreover, R.M. Warner Law suggests that libel plaintiffs need to prove that the statements under review are indeed about them. In this context, given that ChatGPT doesn't have conscious intent or an understanding of personal identities, this could present another hurdle for the plaintiff. However, Walters' complaint alleges that ChatGPT's allegations were false, malicious, and damaged his reputation. If this case proceeds to trial and Walters succeeds, it could set a precedent that AI creators can be held liable for the false statements generated by their AI. This could have far-reaching implications for the field of AI, leading to stricter regulations and standards for AI development and deployment. There are no straightforward answers here, and this lawsuit opens up a Pandora's box of legal, ethical, and technical questions surrounding AI. But one thing's for sure, this case underscores the need for careful and responsible use and development of AI systems. As we continue to explore the world of AI, it's crucial that we remain aware of these emerging challenges. With the advancement in AI come increased responsibilities and ethical considerations that we as a society must address. We'll continue to follow this lawsuit closely and update you with the latest developments. But for now, let's turn this discussion over to you. What do you think about this lawsuit? Should OpenAI be held responsible for the statements generated by ChatGPT? And how can we ensure that AI is used responsibly? This case is sure to spark further debates about AI accountability and transparency, and we'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave us your comments below or join our forum for a more detailed discussion. And remember, as AI continues to evolve and influence various facets of our lives, we need to keep asking these critical questions. The potential of AI is immense, but it is equally important to address the challenges and risks it presents. Before we sign off for today, we'd like to remind you that AI, like any other technology, is a tool. Its effectiveness and impact depend significantly on how responsibly we choose to use it. As users of technology, let's strive to understand the implications and approach it with informed caution. Don't forget to like this video if you found it insightful, and share it with friends who might also be interested in this riveting intersection of AI and law. Stay tuned for our next video, where we will continue to dive deeper into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Thank you so much for watching. As always, stay curious, stay informed, and keep questioning.